Hey guys, today I'm unboxing a Blitz oil sensor attachment or oil sandwich plate, which goes between the engine and an oil filter, and which can be used to attach sensors for example, an oil temperature gauge or an oil pressure gauge. I cheated a little bit and removed the staples already. So we'll make this video go a little bit smoother. So here we have the sandwich plates. It's 28 millimeters high. So keep in mind that you might need a lower oil filter when using this adapter, because otherwise it will increase the length, it might get too long, which might be a problem if you lower it, for example. So again, here we have the sandwich adapter with 3 holes that can hold the different sensors. This is the top that goes on your engine, and on this side is where you would connect the filter. The package also includes 2 adapters that would go over your current oil filter adapter. They look very similar, but they're actually 2 different sizes, and you have here 2 plugs to seal holes that you might not use when installing this plate. So when you install it, what would happen is you would lubricate this and connect it to the engine part, and then you will put this adapter in, which goes over the adapter that's on your engine, and then you could here lubricate this little ring right here and connect the oil filter like this. The filter obviously was not in the package, but I used it to show you that today. So basically that's it. That's your Blitz oil sensor adapter. Hope you like this video. If so, please like, and thanks for watching.